Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, do a short unboxing and share my impressions of the watch. Keep in mind, there are other watches from Samsung and its competitors also in the market. So, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Samsung launched the Watch 5 in August of 2022. The watch is a successor to the Series 4 from Samsung and comes with some improvements. Visually, it looks similar to the earlier version, but there are some differences. Let's start with the key features. First, it comes in 4 colors, out of which, I got the pink gold one. Next, it connects to a Samsung phone seamlessly. It comes with NFC payments, which uses Samsung Pay internally. It has integrated Google Maps, and can be used for turn-by-turn walking directions. Samsung has given multiple apps available in the Android OS. It is water-resistant and IP68 certified. In terms of battery, it gives you around 24 to 30 hours of battery life. The display is made up of sapphire crystal. It also has alarms and other timer features, which can be enabled via the phone or the display screen. Now, let's move to the next section, which is about the health features that are available in the Watch 5. First, it comes with a new bioactive sensor. The sensor reads 3 parameters: SpO2, heart rate and body composition. There is an ECG app that can take ECG readings from the wrist. There is SpO2 monitoring, sleep tracking and heart rate tracking on the watch. The body composition is interesting and it measures your body fat and mass composition. You can track changes from the last measurement. The last and most non-highlighted feature is blood pressure monitoring. Samsung hasn't advertised this feature a lot, probably due to the need for some improvement. I will talk about it after the unboxing, but this is a pretty neat feature if you ask me. Taking blood pressure anytime, without the need to carry a separate device. You do need to calibrate it to match with an actual blood pressure device. It also does stress tracking. All the parameters are available for viewing on the Samsung Health app on your phone. Now, let's talk about the fitness features. It comes with automatic workout detection. Once triggered, it will track the workout or exercises, based on what you are doing. It has standard features like step counter, calories and distance tracking. There are some fitness routines on the Samsung Health app which you can use. Samsung has also tied up with Calm to provide meditation and guided breathing, as well as mindfulness sessions. Now, let's talk about other features which are there in the Watch 5. You get Samsung Pay, which supports multiple card issuers. You can use the NFC payments option on the watch to pay at supported terminals. Similar to Apple, Samsung provides the Find My Phone via the Galaxy Wearable app. For the display, you can choose an always-on display or at time use a power saver mode that turns the Watch 5 into a regular watch. Did I say that right? A smartwatch behaving like a regular watch. It sounds funny, but Samsung does give that option when it detects low battery. It also has sleep and do not disturb modes. Again, like Apple, it has fall detection. The last thing about the watch is it charges quickly. In about 30 minutes, it will charge to roughly 45 to 50%. I haven't tried the Watch 5 with other Android phones, but my guess is that it may provide basic connectivity, although I'm not entirely sure as using the Watch 5 requires a Samsung account. So it may very well work only with Samsung smartphones. So, these are the key features that I had split into different categories. Let's get started with the unboxing. So, that was a short unboxing. The features I had discussed earlier are only the main ones. There are many other features which will probably need a longer video. Let's get into the initial impressions of the watch. While all the highlighted features are somewhat good, let's start with the battery life. With my usage, it lasted at least a day with regular usage, which is wearing it for the whole day and light on exercise. It lasted a bit more if I didn't do any workout. With heavy usage I expect it to last at least 12 hours. The biggest unsold feature of the watch is the blood pressure monitoring feature. I calibrated it with a regular blood pressure measuring device. However, it consistently showed a higher value even when the device was showing a lower one. I suspect the sensor is still evolving, and hence not a very accurate. I expect Samsung to keep improving it in Watch 6 or 7 and then we won't need a separate device. The body composition feature is also interesting, although I'm not sure what to compare it with. But it does show changes from the previous measurement, so there is a relative way of knowing if you are on a good track to improve the numbers or going the opposite way. All readings are also stored in the Samsung Health app and you can see charts and graphs for some of the metrics. The charging is fast and within 30 minutes it will charge from anywhere between 45 to 50%. Being an Android watch, it comes with loads of apps and features that can be downloaded. Whether they are of use to you is a different question. If you have a Samsung phone you would most likely use those apps on the phone rather than the watch. I didn't mention Maps so far, as that wasn't of much use to me. I prefer using the phone for turn-by-turn directions, but it's there on the watch, should you need it. There is also a feature to take calls on the watch instead of your phone via Bluetooth. It's useful if you are not in front of the phone, and really need to take the call, like in a bathroom, or anywhere else where you would not carry the phone. For me, this was again a feature that didn't have any utility but could be useful to you. The launch price was high, and if you are getting good deals, then this is a good watch, and if you are in the Samsung ecosystem, this is a good watch compared to others. That's it for now. Do share your feedback, and if you have this watch or planning to buy one, do tell me about your experience. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a like.